Guys, so in today's video, I will show you how you can create a pop-up button in system.io. I will not go in a full training about how to create funnels. I already did a video about this one, so I will put the link in the description so you can check it out. Hi there, my name is Mihaela Cecu. If you didn't subscribe yet to my channel, please do so, because with this channel I'm helping newbies especially to start an online business through affiliate marketing. So let's go into it. In this example, I will use a done funnel already, and I will show you exactly what steps you need to take. So the first thing is to open the funnel, and afterwards I will go in the first page, which should be an opt-in page. And right now I need to create the button. So the pop-up button is going to be when somebody will click on this yellow button. And as you can see on the left side, it shows show pop-up and select a pop-up. But there is no pop-up here, which means we need to create it. So I will go next to settings where you see pop-ups. I'm just going to press that button, and afterwards add pop-up. And as you can see, it has only one line to put the email. But I always want to know who that person is, so I'm just going to duplicate this form, and I'm going to change this from email into first name. And the second one is going to be email. And that's it. This is saved. Obviously, you can change the color if you want from the button. You can even say here something else like click here now, or let's say I want it to be a different color. Let's say I want it yellow, and I just gonna press save. Okay, so let's test it. Press save again, get out, copy the link for the funnel, and let's see. There you go. It show up. So we show up straight away because I didn't change something. So I just gonna go again into the pop-up button to edit it. So I do not want it to appear automatically, so I'm gonna just undo that part, and this should be fine now. Let's try again. Okay, but before we test the funnel, there is another step that you need to do, which is in your first page of the funnel, you press the yellow button, and then you need to select the pop-up that you want to show up, which is this one. So then you press save, and now let's test it. I will put my name in here, and there you go, it's working. So I hope you enjoy it. Please give me a thumb up if you like it, and see you guys soon.